Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and in this video I'm going to briefly talk about the Tecno Spark 7, and also we are giving away this smartphone to one lucky viewer, so keep watching. This is the Tecno Spark 7 and it is a pretty solid entry-level smartphone. As a matter of fact, this one packs quite the punch. First, the variants. There are two of them. 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage priced at 7,499 rupees, and the one that I have here, 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage, which is priced at 8,499 rupees. And yes, this phone comes with dual nano SIM slots and a separate slot for storage expansion, which is great. Colors option include green, black and blue. So a quick look at what's on offer here. There's a 6.5-inch HD Plus LCD display which is acceptable for the price. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio A25 SoC and comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery under the hood. As for the software, there's iOS 7.5 which is based on Android 11. And apart from the app suggestions in iOS, I think it is a decent skin overall, but yeah, I'll be talking about all of that and much more in the full review of the Tecno Spark 7. Finally, a 16 megapixel dual camera setup at the back and an 8 megapixel snapper at the front, which by the way comes with dual flash. We'll be testing that for sure. Now, as for the giveaway of this smartphone, well, I'll be announcing the winner on 29 June, which is next week, and that is when the review also goes live. So keep an eye on the review video and our Twitter handle, because those are the two places where I'll be announcing the winner. And as to how you can participate in the Tecno Spark 7 giveaway, well, very simple. Like this video and subscribe to the Mr. Phone YouTube channel. The target is for 1,000 likes on this video, so guys, let's make it possible. Along with this, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. The social handles are on your screens right now, so follow us, and you can also find the social handles in the description as well. Finally, leave a comment below along with your Twitter and Instagram handle so that we can contact you. And that's all guys. I wish you all very good luck. Stay tuned for the full review that is coming soon next week, and that is when, as I said, the winner of the giveaway will also be announced. So stay hooked, and for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.